Hi, what's going on, guys? I'm DevPol, and I want to talk to you a little bit about bootcamps or the bootcamps help. But first, what is Coding Bootcamp? Coding Bootcamp compresses years of software development into a 6 months intensive, concentrated, accelerated learning environment, and teaches things like web development, data analysis, cybersecurity, and it prepares students to be competitive when they'll be looking for a job. I actually personally went to one of them for their analysis, and it was organized by a trilogy. There's a lot of other ones out there. There's like a Lighthouse, BrainStation, but if you type into Google top 2020 bootcamps, you'll see a really big list you can choose from. So after attending a bootcamp, I have come up with 3 main points that I think you should know why you should choose a bootcamp or why is it going to be even helpful in first place. So the first thing to know about bootcamps is that you don't have to quit your job in order to attend it. I was working from 9 to 5 and my bootcamp started at 6:30 until 9:30. So I worked well with my working schedule. A nice thing about a bootcamp is that it's a night course, which means you don't really have to quit your day job. So if you're working 9 to 5, you'll be just going to a bootcamp after hours. But since a lot of things are online today, you don't even have to travel there at all. While I was attending it, I was actually working full time, and it worked out well for me. I'll finish my work, had enough time to get home or go into the school and study. So point number 2. The good thing about bootcamp is that it's been taught by professionals that are in the field today, and they will be teaching you techniques, tools that they're using every day. And the reason why I think that's important to know, a lot of students that are about to graduate from a bootcamp, they find themselves anxious because they start to realize how much information they've been given. They start to think, I still don't feel comfortable about using those languages or tools, or I still don't feel like I have enough of information. But keep in mind that the tools you've been taught and languages are by people who are in a profession. So when you go into a job or when you start looking for a job, your resume will be packed with tools and languages that are in high demand today. So when you'll be submitting your application to a specific job, so let's say like a web development, you'll be very, very competitive to people that been in school for 3 years. And it's because you were in a 6 months fast-paced learning environment where you've been taught specifically web development techniques, tools, languages that are professionals using today. Don't get anxious, don't get nervous. It's a very, very natural feeling to have. So now the last point that I want to talk to you about is point number 3, networking. A lot of coding bootcamps, they really do care about your success. So they invite professionals to connect with you. They'll have about 3-4 different online video calls with professionals that will tell you a little more about the field, will tell you what you could do to get in and how you can improve yourself. Almost at the end of a coding a bootcamp, you'll be given a group project that will consist of everything you have learned. So if it's web development, you'll be creating your API, front-end side, database, and you'll be given a chance, an opportunity to present to potential employers. There'll be so many people, there'll be recruiters from different companies. And once they see what you have built, they'll be like, here's my business card. Why don't you call me? We do have a job opportunity, and we'll get our things going. So yeah, when you do choose a bootcamp, remember that you don't have to quit your job in order to attend it. And that pretty much covers my points that I thought were important. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like this video, don't forget to comment below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.